Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it would seem that the updates for the Patch Tuesday updates that arrived yesterday, July 8th, are rolling out pretty well for now. With what I look at the background noise at different blog posts, people saying they have a problem. Seems to be in the normal range. Of course, some problems sometimes take a few days to a week or two before they really surface. I think the biggest complaints I have seen, and I've seen it here through the channel's comments, is that yesterday the Windows update, um, the biggest problem that most have mentioned, that those really mentioned something, is the fact that a lot of the installs were stuck for a while on certain percentage. So some say that they were, kind of at 22% or 40% or 60%, and it kind of stalled there, and for a very long time. It can happen sometimes, and it depends on the machines. And Windows updates, they were fast on my machines, but each machine is different. Each machine has different hardware. The update has to deal with different things on different machines. So sometimes it could be that makes it longer for some. Some of you said they had to try maybe 2 or 3 times, and it finally went through. So this is, but there's no one that I've seen comments yet of it just can't install. Anyways, if there's anything that you guys notice, either at the install phase of the Windows updates, or at the, when you're using Windows after the update, the Patch Tuesday update this month of July, if anything weird is happening on your PC, of course, write it in the description below. Sometimes we quickly see a pattern. Sometimes I see the people start posting, and it's like there's a pattern, because I see a lot of people with the exact same complaint, and it's like, okay, we can pinpoint that maybe this or that is something happening. But for now, it doesn't seem to have any issues, both on Windows 10 and 11 for now. So we'll, of course, continue examining the situation. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.